so we all know what we're doing. We're protecting the owls. You are the protectors. Alright, do not pick them up, don't take them, just leave them when you see them. They're all downstairs in different locations. You obviously know all the locations now. People that have been here before. Anyone who hasn't been here before, put your hands up. Okay. Guys, if these people need any help, please just give them some info, tell them where to go. Just don't tell them they need to hurry up or speed up or anything like that, because that doesn't work here. Alright? Other than that, yeah, leave the owls alone. Just shoot the blue team out and have fun. That's it. Alright? That's the most best part.
The same issue?
Yeah, all received. Red team are ready, red team are ready.
Cool, cool.
Oh, hit. Oh, nice.
Cool, cool.
Oh, hit. Oh, nice. Never mind. Sit.
Hit.
Yeah.
And then walk in.
Each one of yours who just shot you? Yeah. Dead man, come and get clutch of my grenade. You just shot red.
Great stuff.
Well done.
Colour. Colour.
Good man, good man.
Sit.
Hit.
Good man.
And then walk out. And then walk in.
Each one of yours who just shot you? Yeah. Dead man, come and get clutch of my grenade. You just shot red.
Great stuff.
Well done.
Colour. Colour.
Red. Red.
Dead man, walk in. Dead man.
good, mate. You're good. Cheers.
Oh, damn my teammate. I've got a pistol thing.
Safe. Oh, hit.
Yes, check up there.
Hit.
Not play.
This guy's a rock.
Hit. No walking. Hit.
Red.
Dead man.
Sorry, mate. My take. No worries.
Nice shot, dead man! Right, I'm dead. Dead man! Dead man, blue dead!
Pretty sure I got you then. Fucking mate, you walked. I was literally like this. I got a fucking camera there.
Hey, mate, if you're injured, I'll take the hit as well. I'll take it as well. Fist bump, head out.
Dead man! Dead man, blue dead!
Pretty sure I got you then. Fucking mate, you walked. I was literally like this.
Max up, please. Yeah. Max up, thank you. Your gas, show me you're clear. If not, into the barrel, thank you.